Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We're diving into the world of tropical fruits, and shining the spotlight on the amazing cashew fruit. Join us, as we explore the nutritional benefits of this lesser-known gem, and discover why it's a must-try. When we think of cashews, most of us envision the delicious nut, but did you know that the cashew fruit is just as remarkable? The cashew fruit is native to tropical regions, known for its vibrant yellow, or red color, and peculiar shape. It grows on cashew trees, which are abundant in countries like Brazil, India, and Vietnam. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the nutrition. The cashew fruit is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can have a positive impact on our health. First up, let's talk about vitamin C. A single serving of cashew fruit can provide a significant amount of vitamin C, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system, and promoting collagen production for healthy skin. If you're looking for a refreshing, and tangy way to boost your vitamin C intake, why not try a glass of fresh cashew fruit juice? Besides vitamin C, the cashew fruit is also packed with vitamins such as vitamin B1, B2, and B5. These B vitamins play a vital role in energy production, brain function, and maintaining healthy skin and hair. Another fantastic way to enjoy the cashew fruit is by adding it to a delicious fruit salad. Its unique flavor adds a tropical twist, and you'll reap all the nutritional benefits it has to offer. Now, let's not forget about the minerals. The cashew fruit contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc, which are essential for maintaining proper heart function, bone health, and supporting your immune system. For those looking for a healthy and creamy treat, you can blend the cashew fruit into a smoothie. Not only will it provide a creamy texture, but you'll also benefit from its impressive mineral content. Apart from its vitamins and minerals, the cashew fruit is also a great source of antioxidants. These compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals, and can contribute to overall health and well-being. Another fun and delicious way to enjoy the cashew fruit is by freezing the juice into popsicles. It's a perfect treat for those hot summer days while reaping the antioxidant benefits. When it comes to enjoying cashew fruit, it's important to eat with caution to prevent potential discomfort in the throat and tongue that may arise from consuming it raw. For the best eating experience, consider cutting the cashew fruit into bite-sized pieces, adding a sprinkle of salt, thoroughly mixing it, and allowing it to sit for a while before indulging. If you prefer to savor it as a refreshing juice, remember to include a pinch of salt to prevent any such discomfort. Cashew fruits can be consumed by most individuals, including adults and children. However, as with any food, it's important to consider any potential allergies or sensitivities that someone may have. If someone has a known allergy to cashew nuts, they should exercise caution when consuming cashew fruit, as there is a possibility of cross-reactivity. Overall, cashew fruits are generally safe for consumption by the majority of people, provided there are no underlying allergies or health concerns. So, next time you come across a cashew fruit, don't overlook it. Embrace the opportunity to explore this tropical gem and discover its incredible nutritional value. Thank you all for joining us today on this journey through the world of cashew fruit nutrition. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting health-related content. Remember folks, nature has provided us with a diverse range of fruits, and it's up to us to uncover their hidden wonders. Stay curious and keep exploring.